Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a look at a custom-made audio cable from World's Best Cables. This particular cable features the highly regarded Gotham GAC-4 cable, known for its Swiss engineering and long history dating back to 1958. It's manufactured in Europe using linear crystal oxygen-free copper, or LCOF. The GAC-4 utilizes a star quad design with 4 conductors and boasts what's called double reinforcement shielding. This means it has 2 counterwoven LCOF copper shields, each providing 100% coverage. This unique shielding, combined with low-capacitive PE insulation and a heavy-duty PVC jacket, is designed for exceptional performance. Gotham claims this design results in incredible RF rejection, over 130 dB at 25 kHz, which is significantly higher than many standard quad cables. This makes it ideal for minimizing noise, even on long runs, contributing to its reputation as one of the most silent cables in the industry, reportedly even used alongside legendary Neumann microphones. On the ends, this cable is terminated with Neutrik NP3X-B 8/4-inch TRS plugs. Neutrik is a world leader in audio connectors, and the NP3X-B is their latest high-end offering in the 1/4-inch range. These are gold-plated and feature a thin 14.5mm shell, making them great for crowded patch bays. They also have Neutrik's reliable chuck-type strain relief and a precisely machined one-piece tip designed to prevent issues like hooking up inside a socket. World's Best Cables Custom makes these, and they highlight their specific assembly process. They use a proprietary 4% silver solder blend and a unique nitrogen-assisted soldering process. They state this process goes beyond standard industry practices to improve the integrity of the solder joints. So, what you have here is a cable combining premium European-made Gotham wire with top-tier Neutrik connectors, assembled with a specialized soldering technique. The focus is clearly on delivering a professional-grade, highly shielded, and quiet balance patch cable, aiming to live up to the World's Best Cables name by minimizing noise and maximizing signal integrity for demanding audio applications.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.